Hey besties, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In this video, we're just gonna hang out, talk a little bit, play with makeup. I have my whole little bin right here, and hang out. So if you guys wanna just hang out with me today, definitely keep on watching. First, we're gonna go into this True Blend Undercover Concealer, and we're just gonna plop that on the eyelids. I think I already have like a vision for how I want to do today's makeup look. I'm thinking I kind of want to do like a bluey kind of wing to go with the blue shirt I have on right now. I think that'd be really cute. Where is my brush? And I'm just dispersing this product with a dense brush all over the eyelid. Just like that. Hope that all of your holidays are going like really well. I know like with everything going on, sometimes the holidays cannot feel as holiday-like. Like that's how I kind of felt for Thanksgiving like this year and last year. But I'm hoping Christmas just has like all the vibes. Nonetheless, hopefully that is the case. I don't know, I can't believe we're already in December, you guys. I'm gonna be 21 in a couple days. My birthday is on the 12th, which is just so crazy. Because it feels like this year like just went so fast. Like I feel like I just turned 20. So yeah, I don't know, you guys. It's really weird for sure how quickly time flies by, especially like as you get older, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do next? Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Anastasia powder and I'm just gonna place that on the lid with a puffier brush. Let's just take this Juvia's Place one and go into that powder just to make sure we don't crease at all. Took this powder and like put it in the brow to kind of diffuse some of that harshness. So sometimes I'll do that too. Ooh, I think I put too much today. Then just doing the same thing on the other side. And then you guys, this is just some of my eye brushes. I really need to clean my brushes because I have so many dirty ones. I need like an angled kind of brush for this. Taking the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think I want to go into the shade Blue Monday right here. And that's what I think I want to use for the wing. Hopefully this goes the way that I am intending for it to. We will have to see. Fingers crossed. And just flick it out. Flick it out. Pat, pat, pat. Okay. Kind of just do like a triangle. And then there we just have like a little wingy. Just clean it up a little bit on the edges. And yeah, I don't know. I think I could have did a little bit thinner in this little area right here. Because as you can see when I open up my eye, like it looks a little bit weird. I don't know. I think it's actually cute though. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Put lashes on and then I'll be right back. Okay besties, we're back with the mascara and lashes. I do really like this side way more than this side because this side I kind of just went a little overboard. As you can see, this is more of like just a regular wing and this one is kind of more of like that bat effect. So that always usually happens to me. They're always sisters, never twins. But yeah, moving on to the complexion. I have pretty pory skin. My pores appear pretty large, so I really love this Cover FX blurring primer. I have been using this one for like years, ever since I got it in a BoxyCharm. I have repurchased this myself like twice, and I really love how it just really blurs out those imperfections. Hopefully you can see the difference. Like, you guys, look at the pores on my nose right now. Like, that product just blurred them all away. So I really love this a lot. I'm going to also put this all over the face. Usually around Black Friday I do restock, but for whatever reason I forgot to restock that specific product because I believe it is kind of pricey without a sale. So yeah, unfortunately I forgot to do that. I like to put it also on the forehead. And then I'm looking around because I'm like, where are my beauty blenders? So usually once I do go in with a pore filling primer like this, my face is a little bit on the dry side. Now if you have oily skin, I wouldn't suggest doing this step, but if you have dry skin or normal skin like me, I would. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. You guys, I actually really have been liking this product, unfortunately, because it was a little bit on the pricier side. Like a lot of it on the pricier side. I don't use like a lot at all of this product, and I just kind of like pat that on this skin all over. You guys, it's like a lemony kind of smell. It's really nice. I did wear this in my last two videos, the BoxyCharm one and the Candle Day one. So if you guys like how my skin looked in those videos, I was wearing this underneath my makeup, and I actually really love how it makes my skin feel underneath all those products. And then we're going to go into the foundation that I re-upped on during Black Friday. I've loved this for like years. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation. I really like this one, you guys. I just ordered the soft matte foundation as well to try that one out, and I'm really excited to do so. I also ordered the soft matte concealer too, so I'm really excited to try both of those things. Unfortunately, you have to like pay extra for the pump, which I'm just like, why do I have to pay extra for the pump? Like, why is that not already something that comes with a expensive foundation? Like, at that point, it does look like you're just trying to kind of get a little extra coin out of somebody, because it's just like, why would someone not want a pump? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, man. But as you can see, it gives a really nice amount of coverage. I mean, I did go in with quite a bit, but at the same time, it also really looks skin-like, and you can see that glow. I really love this product. Oh my goodness. And I love the shade as well for my skin tone. I just think it's really nice. Now I do go in with a brush, but then I do take the blender afterwards to just clean everything up and buff everything into the skin really seamlessly. I would love to know like what you guys are planning on doing for the holidays. Like if you guys have any like really exciting plans, you're visiting family this year. I think soon I'm going to do a video for the best holiday sets, for if you guys are looking to get someone a makeup set or a skincare set for Christmas, like what the best one would be. I always love getting stuff like that for Christmas and giving stuff away like that for Christmas. Like my mom, every year she loves the Fenty Glossy Posse. She really likes that. I don't know if they call it that every year, but every year she does do some type of, you know, kit with her products, like with her lip products, and my mom loves it, so I get her it every year. So yeah, I want to do like a little gift guide kind of video. I think that'd be fun. Also, I'm kind of curious sometimes to know if you guys also are interested in like TikTok content, because I've been thinking about making a TikTok makeup, you know, account. I do have an account on TikTok where I do my makeup and do like little tutorials, but at the same time I'm like reading story times from Reddit, and that account has like 400,000 followers. and I really do love the community over there as well as the community over here. So I'm really curious as to if I should create a all like just specifically for makeup TikTok account. Like I think that could be really cool and fun and fresh, but I just don't know if that's something I should do or not, if I do want to add that into the equation yet. So I'm going to take the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is like a OG. I also re-upped on this for the Black Friday sale. Just put that under the eyes, chin, a little bit on the stash, on this little pimple right here, and then on the other side just for balance. And we're going to just blend that out. I'm sorry y'all, my friend was like having an emergency. Something that I hate about my skin is like, do you guys ever realize that even if you rub it a little bit, if you spray a perfume that your skin doesn't agree with, you just break out right here? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys. Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hey, baby. I'm in the middle of a YouTube video. Can I call later?
No.
What?
I won't be your girlfriend later.
Babe, please.
No.
Because I'm connected to the microphone, and then I would have to like get up and pause it and undo the microphone and turn the microphone back on and turn the lights off and turn it back on.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
She's so crazy. I won't be your girlfriend later. Like, okay, she's staying with me right now, so we'll see when she gets home. If she's not my girlfriend later. I love her so much, you guys. I hate being cringy. What about you guys? Are you guys in relationships? Like, I love this community so much, this makeup community. I feel like we talk so much, and like, you guys are so sweet. I want to know if you guys are like in relationships. My friend is here. I will be right back, you guys. I had to go with my friend real quick to go to the Dollar General. Like, she really needed me to go with her, so I went. But I used this Anastasia powder on my under eyes and then the T-zone before I went, just so that I wouldn't crack before I got back. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to the, I was gonna say bronzer, but I want to get something on my lips because for some reason I always feel like if I'm doing a makeup tutorial and editing myself and I see crusty, dusty lips like this, it drives me crazy. And this is in the shade Birthday Suit. And I'm just going to line my lips with it. I would definitely benefit from doing a lip exfoliator today because they're just a little dry. I haven't been using my Bite Beauty lip balm lately. And then I'm going to take this plumping lip polish from Buxom, which looks like this. I got it in a holiday set last year, and I've really been loving the whole set. Like, these are really good lip plumping glosses. Just add that over top. It's good. Going into the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick. I'm just going to go ahead and work that into the cheeks, add some definition, some warmth to the situation. I'm looking really light right now since all I have on is that foundation and concealer. Store associates at the store I just went to probably were thinking in their heads like, this girl looks like a ghost, legit. But yeah, add on. And I'm starting to feel the lip plumping sensation quite a bit with the Buxom gloss. I actually haven't used, I just totally went into this highlighter with the bronzer brush. But yeah, it's been a minute since I've actually used this lip gloss, and I didn't remember how intense the plumping sensation is. Now, it's not anything like, you guys know the Too Faced lip injection. Like, I used that the one time that I used it, and I was genuinely scared for how intense that one was. This one isn't too intense. It actually does feel like a lip treatment, which I actually really enjoy. It definitely does have that, was it like that menthol kind of feel on the lips, where it's like it is plumping them for sure. That kind of minty feel. What do you guys think about like lip plumpers? Like, do you like them? Do you think they're gimmicky? Do you feel like they're painful? Like, how do you feel about lip plumpers? I think they're okay. I mean, not totally necessary for me because I feel like my lips are an okay size already, but they're cute. It's like a nice little thing you can also do if you want to enhance your makeup look. And then I'm gonna go into this bronzer. I'm gonna talk about this like so often on this channel, you guys, just because I love it. It is in the shade Dulce. It's the Milani Baked Blush. These are good. I ordered like another shade called Soleil for the Black Friday sale, so I'm hoping I'll like that one too. I think it's a little bit lighter even than this one. I'll have to wait and see. And then for blush, I am absolutely going into the Laura Lee Blush Aesthetic blush palette, and I'm going to use the shade Caramel Cream, which is this one right there. And then I'm going to mix it with the one that is right above it called Bridal Pink. Just get a nice mix of those two, and then just pop that there. Doop, 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 doop. This is so pretty. Just a nice little flush, you know? And then I am also going to put a little bit on the nose, just a little. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go into this Snow Angel highlighter. I think it will look really good with the blue that I have, like the frosty kind of vibe from the shirt and the eyeliner. Well, eyeshadow eyeliner. And then we're just going to work that right there as well. Really build it up. Yeah, I think that is like a really light highlight and really beaming highlight. So I think it works perfectly here. Do the other side. Definitely a lot of texture showing with this one, but girl, I really don't care about that. I just want to be able to be seen a million miles away. And I think that this definitely achieves that type of goal. And then going back over with the blush just a little bit, just to make it a little bit more of a blended situation on the cheek. Doing the same thing on the other side as well. I always kind of just go and do this step just to make sure everything is a little bit more, you know, seamless. And then we're going to go ahead and use our setting spray, which is just the Fix Plus, just the one with the cherry blossoms. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, playing with makeup, just doing a little simple look, chatting a little bit. I hope all of your holidays are amazing. If you guys liked this video, stay to the end. As always, please leave a nice comment below if you had fun, and think about subscribing if you're not already. I love you guys so much, and there will definitely be more videos coming out very soon. Bye, bestie!